So we put the 7 Mystic Onyx in the coop with the big girls last night. Let's see how they did. Come on, girls. Come on. Uh-oh. No girls? Where's my little onyx ladies? I hear you guys. Where y'all at? Come on. Come on, GGGs. Guys, y'all gotta come out. Can't see them in there. Hold on, let me see if I can get them out. You can do it. There you go. There's one girl. Had to put a little food out there to try to coax them out. And there's my little Afro baby over there. Well, 3 out. There's number 4. Number 5. Now can't just hang out there. Come on in the yard. There we go. Yay! You go get your birds. Starting the bird flying. Yes. Go look around. Go look around. Find out where the water is. Get to know the new ladies. There's gonna be some pecking orders happening today, but they do it in the grown-up flock here too. So it's just chicken hierarchy. They gotta find their place, but they found the water. I think it was a pretty good transition, guys. They still got their baby voices. Kevin doesn't seem to be worried about them, which is good. I'm glad they found the water, and it doesn't seem like anybody's beating them up too bad. There's a lot of black girls out there. I love how they're black combs, black wattles, black feet, black feathers. They're so pretty. They are not Iam-Somanis. They are they are Mystic Onyx. So they will have some green shimmer and different colorations as they grow, but I'm excited to see them out with the flock. As long as they have food, they don't really care. I know this is more exciting to me than most, but just wanted to document that they made it into the flock. I'm going to move our 5 blue Jersey Giants down to the teenager coop today so that they can start getting used to seeing these guys. And then in about 5 weeks, they'll come out and join the herd. So that's it. Goodness, Phoebe. That's it. Life at 520 is still growing.